I know how frustrating it could be when you have 0 views and 0 subscriber on your YouTube channel. You are getting started and no one know who you are yet and what kind of content you produce. You spend all the time planning, scripting, filming and editing the video and you are all excited. You upload the video on YouTube and only a few people watch it. So, how do you grow your YouTube channel faster this year? In this video, I'm gonna share with you 5 tips and strategies for how you can grow your channel in this 2020. So, let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to Zeedempire. Before start, if you are new in our channel, just press the red subscribe button below and hit the bell icon so you can get all new updates. If you are struggling to grow your YouTube channel, so don't worry. Today I'm gonna share 5 secret tips with you that how you can grow your channel in this 2020. Number 1. Build videos around a single keyword. It may seem obvious, but building your video around a single keyword is the best way to get traffic you want and grow your audience. Many people who are unaware of SEO best practices skip these steps, but it's crucial if you want your videos to get the maximum amount of viewers. It's important to pick your keyword before you can even build your video content because it helps you to construct the best information about this specific topic. Despite popular myths, the most successful video on YouTube are typically less than 5 minutes long. So don't feel you have make a film or write a novel. Keep it shortly and sweet. Number 2. Reformat existing quality content. Of course, the easiest way to grow your channel is to build a great content. But the content does not always have to build from scratch. Some of your best videos can be built from engaging, valuable, useful and actionable content that you have already created. Many people go to YouTube to find answers, how-to tutorials for the issue they are facing. So content that solves problems is great fit. Number 3. Engage with your audience. It's important not to overlook the fact that YouTube is a social media channel and therefore demands social interactions. If you are just posting videos without encouraging comments, discussion, you are missing a trick. YouTube rewards channel with great engagement, including overall time spent on channel, watch time, likes, dislikes, and the most importantly, comments. Try to respond every comment you receive if possible. Number 4. Promote your YouTube videos on other social channels. One of the beautiful things about social media is that you can cross-promote content on different social channels. Promoting your YouTube videos on other social channels is the easiest way to grow your audience. What channels are you on? Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest. There are many from which you choose. Number 5. Post great thumbnail. They may seem like a small thing because they are, but thumbnails can have a big impact. YouTube advertises other video via thumbnail on its sidebar, so you want yours to stand out among the peak. The same goes for YouTube search. Videos with a catchy title and appealing thumbnail usually rank higher, even if the content itself is not as valuable, because they have a higher click-through rate. So those are the 5 tips on how to grow your YouTube channel in this 2020. I have so many more tips I wanna share with you. So thanks for check out this video. Subscribe for more videos just like this. Until next time, Zeedempire is bringing you the best tips and tools for building your influence with online video. Keep crushing it and we will talk you soon. Goodbye.